All right. Hello, everybody. So, nice to see you again. Today, I would like to share three techniques and four indicators that are uh, important in the market, of trading. So, and the first, let me let me share with we pivot. Yes, pivot. This one is pivot daily. So most of the successful traders, they can use with the pivot, and also they can spot with resistance and support and resistance, and to know the price markets. And the pivot also is important. So another one, let me show you with uh, what is CCI. What is CCI is also uh, my favorite, because it can scale, it can use for scale short, and also it have very good pattern. We have pattern, we have pivot, what is this, we have the rejects pattern, this one right, rejects pattern, or we can say the breaks pattern, and also the hook from extremely, this one hook from extremely, and also the CCI, they have zero lines, and 50, 100, 200, and also 300, and this one's minus. Uh, so it also for scale. So um, I will explain you later. I will compare which one is the best for the trader. Some traders they use with the the pivot, and some traders they use with what is inside. So let me compare, and for each price, and for for each pattern, which one that is the fastest than everyone, than in the trading market. So another one is moving average. Yes, moving average. uh, Most of the traders use moving average also successful. Yes, and also OSI. 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 What does it mean? OSI. Release index here. OSI. Yeah. And also pivot. So OSI and combined together with six. Yes, this one is six lines. Six lines. Sorry, guys. So uh, this one's another one's is 14. So OSI also important in the market. So I will come back later to explain you. And another ones, oh, it's same pivot, and okay, only three. Oh yeah, only three. One pivot, another one is uh, opaque, uh, Willem profile. I forget to tell you that. Willem profile are also important place in the market. Willem profile and what is CCIs. So let me check in the price in the previous price. So and here, from here to here, from here to here. So let me see. Let me explain to you about this. What is CCI? At the first we look for the what is CCI. What is CCIs? So zero lines. So when to what is CCIs, and go to highs. Go to highs. It mean I can see. I can see. I cannot see. I cannot see text. Where is text? Text. Text A. This one. Yeah. Okay. Text. Where is where can I see text? Tech idea. I don't see text. It's okay. Sorry, I find the text. This one is hooked from extremely. Hooked. Hooked from extremely. Yes. It's one hook from extremely. So when the price, when the wood is designed, go to highs, bounce level of 300, 200, and zero line. This one zero line. So when the wood is designed, go to hook from extremely, it means that now it overs the market, it means overbuy. So we withdraw as a trend line, like resistance, resistance, resistance. So we have like in the ghost pattern, we can head, shoulder, something like that, but just like a trend, the top or the peak. So I draw with the price action also the same. So what is different here? It look like it's same because this one is resistant and this one it also resistant and this one also resistant. Yes, and also this one also resistant. So when the price is not broke out, so when the price is not broke like this, it's not broke out, it means that this is this is the market will come back. So how do we know that the price will come back? Because here indicators tell you that the body CCIs tell you that only 5 minutes you can see, you can check only 5 minutes, and then you see that now the price go high, so price go high to help price assembly. So it will come back soon, it will come back soon. So that why if you are buys you have to exit to take profit, but if you are selling you have to prepare for sell, you have to prepare for sell. Why? Because it is also the resistance 1 2 3 4 and also resistance the top. So that why the market it will come back. So the Willem profile also have you. Well, how the Willem profile to have you that? Willem profile have you to determine to know that when the strong of volume, it means that when the price go to retest the strong of volume, it means that this area is very strong volume. It's very strong. It mean that the market go to test, it will come back soon. When the test of Vellum, I don't know. It just tests and then it can be broke and come back again. But absolutely, when the first volume retest, it also will come back. But we don't know how far it's down and how far it go back. But actually, when the first of volume test and then always come back. So anybody can scale, anybody can take a short here to take profit around here, take here, and to take profit from here. According to the price actions, this is real. This is real, we can say engulfing pattern. The two candlesticks, it means like Twitter's twist candlestick or engulfing. I say again engulfing gaping pattern because it's a little small and also long, so that why if the price look like this and also you can looking for a sell, you're looking for a sell. So when you are sell you take where you take profit because this is very strong volume, very strong volume. So sometimes when the price come back into take volume and then also it come back and then it will come back, it will come back. But you can see this volume also broke through the strong volume. So it means that another candlesticks open lower pay lowers volume profile, volume profile. So that why you don't expect or the traders don't expect it's going up or break up or counter back again. So normally you can draw like this, you can draw like this, like support and also support. So that wise the market it can be counter or counter back or reverse back, but actually it's also broke pay volume profile. So that why if you are take profit from here for sale. You sell and then take profit from here and then you exit. But careful, you don't buy. Why? Because you already broke through high through volume profile. So the next one you look for the what is CCI. What is CCI? So what we will do with what is CCI? The word DCCI tell you that this is like a divergence. You can say it's a divergence. I can say divergence, and also the bright divergence here. Okay, also low. Price also low. Divergence indicator also lows. So when would resist the eye 50 the this color and 14 sky color. Here's sky, look like sky. This is a blue. I say blue, but I don't know how to say the blue. And also this one, I don't know how to say that. That's what I don't know. My English is so poor. Sorry, why? This is six lines, 14th lunch, 14th lunch, and also 50 line. So all the 6 and 14 and 6 and 15 lines goes down together through through zero lines. So when what this is sorry. So when the wood is CCIs, all lines and broke through the zero line here, broke through zero line here. So the price now we talk the candlestick here. The candlesticks. So what we do with the candlesticks, this one. Okay, now we talk this candlestick. So this candlestick also tell you that Brooks William profile, and also the Buddhists also broke the line. So that why you have to be very careful. Why? Because it already broke the line. So when the broke the lines, if any pattern is not make sense, is not make any pattern that for buy, so you don't make any so you don't expect to buy. Why? Because when the market is when the Buddhist is high and broke zero line, so that why it very strong up bullish, very strong up bullish. And once and another hand, you draw like this and also broke supports and support and also broke down here and also broke down here. So this area the trader have to know that this is also broke down. So that wise keep if you are buys, so you have to exit and also you're looking for only sorts for the selling market. So you just wait for you just wait for. So now let me explain. Let me text another indicator. Okay, look about this. Also 15 minutes and the same. And this one what is this I also 15 minutes and also looking for OSI 15 minutes. Okay, now come back then. Come back with moving average tool. This area tell you that the OSIs withdraw to support and we can say support. This area is support. This is the support and also broke down. This area also broke down. So that's why this is to retest support or support that I can say support. So this one and when you're and looking for the price action, the price actions the price action or support and also breaks and it retest. So do you think it also break if the price actions is not yet breached and makes retest like this, you don't expect to fall buy. But actually, this one is just like the long tail, and also uh, the price below of what number? Oh, 18, 89, 89 moving average external. External. I'm sorry, because my platform is localized. Little error. So the indicators, most of the traders use many indicators to show, to show, to uh, compare which one is faster. So some people, some traders and use what is CCI it for short. I mean, for scale and very short. So the price actions still the best. The price action is still the best. Why? Because it's to tell you that now resistant, just like triangle, and also rise resistant, a downtrend for for long trend or big trend. We can say resistant. This one is resistant, and this one also resistant, and another one is also resistant. So retest resistant. So each one is not breaks. It's not breaks. You see. So the traders, when they're looking for this to clear that, so that they can sell and then make a scale and from here to here, because once 1 2 3 resistant, 1 2 3 resistant, it's a small small trend, it's small uptrend, it's small a big long trend, so that why market will come back downtrend, so will come back. So this one you just copy from here, copy from here to here, and to know that support. This one is not break, it's not break. For the candlestick, even though it will long, it's so long, but don't have any candlesticks open lower than support, because this one is support. So if the markets or candlesticks open the lower the lowest of support, so it means that strong downs, I mean the market still strong, but actually the market it bears the bullish come back again and open a new one in the both of lines, so that why to tell you that the market is now is going up. So it just like come back to retest to make the patterns, to make the pattern. So looking for the Buddhist eyes, these areas also hook from extremely, hook from extremely pattern. What does mean hook from extremely? Extremely, it means that the Buddhist eye go to test 300, and also this one also we can say hook from extremely, because it's to test 300 launch. 300 line. So that's why when the price was more you sell here, if the price here, so you have to exit. Why? Because the market it will can come back again, because it also oversell. This one also overbuy, oversell, overbuy. So when the overbuys, oversell, the market is the market is will bullish back, the bullish back. So it is very nice when you are observed in the markets just like this. The markets will come back to retest long trend, but if this one, the markets come back again to retest the support. You see here support, this one support, this one support, and also this one to retest, this one to retest. You see, retest, retest resistance, and retest support to become new resistance, support to become new resistance. You see, it's very clear that when the markets is come back first time, the markets come back until it first time, you can make a scale here. So the markets will come back again to make divergent, to make divergent. When the markets down and then will pull back again to make divergent. You see here, make divergence. And these ones make divergence. Divergence here, divergence. So this technique, this technique is very useful for the scale trader. So looking for another indicator. Okay, now looking for, now it's looking for, okay, we can say looking for volume because I also have volume here. Volumes resistant, resistant, also resistant. Volumes resistant, resistant, and resistant. In my experience, this is very strong. This is not so strong. It's not so strong. It's not so strong. But last one is very strong. One, two, three. When volume is three peak, three peak. The volume will not tell you that the market up or down, but it tell you that the market is very strong enough to come back. Strong enough to come back. This one, this is real. Just like okay, now the market is also very strong. Buy and sell. It means most many buy, many investors and participate with buy and sell. Investor they looking for a little, not too much, not so much. You see a little, but the market is go down up to and go back down, and then strong drop down, and then make fighting. This one is fighting, and then strong again until this area it mean it mean one two three. It mean peak enough for bulls. The markets go back down. So these ones tell you that the market is not so strong. This was strong. So this one reaction. This one's volume. One, two, three. One, two, three. One, two, three. So it means that all here's the resistance is not break up. It's not break. So when the market is not break, I mean one time, two time resistance, it means that market is not so strong. But the participate is very high here. I mean increase enough. This one increase enough. This one increase enough. So that's why the market is not pull back. So if the market is not pull back, so what the trader do? The trader looking for share, which one that you think that is the best place for use, which pattern that you think is that important. So that why you can order with selling, you take sell any candlestick that using at the price, using at the price. So this is loss. This is decreased volume is not so strong, but you will know that oh now the markets the price is down, the price is down, and also volume is strong. It tell you that the price is lower or the decrease enough for what, for buy. So all the time volume, all the time of volume highs and come back, it's always with this reaction support or resistance, just like this resistance. One, two, three, four here. It means increase enough. And also the reactions here, one, two, three, four. It means the price also increased enough. It not pull back again. It not pull back again. Also increase enough. And it's like okay, this one break support, support. This one is support. This one is also support, but it's like downtrend, or some data use like this, use like this. But be careful because this is also the trend support here. One break and retest and retest and also come back again to retest here. So the balloon is divergent. You see, it look like the divergence. It look like the divergence. The price and the volume is high and the price lower low. So that's why if the price here, if the price pull back down with the increased volume and also with the support, so what's what are you looking for? You can looking for buy because that is opportunity for buy. You see here, that is opportunity for buy. You see, this is opportunity for sell. But if you are if, if you are not sure, if you are not sure, you have to careful with the candlestick. With the candlestick. So for example, this candlestick, it's 15 minutes. So let me check 5. Let me check 5 minutes. 5 minutes also, you see, this is a long term. A long term. So some people they sell here. When you come market, go back, you make sell here. If you sell here, you lost opportunity. If you sell here, you lost opportunity. So very careful when you make sales. You have to observe that where is the best place for sale. I encourage for the trader to make a sale here. To make sale here. At least you get 1 2 3 5 speed. You can get 1 5. But if you make sell here, you will lose opportunity. You will lose opportunities. When you sell here, market go and come back again, not test, not test. So that's why you have to be careful. The trader have to be careful. So this one, let me talk again with this rule. This is like pivot line. The market tests pivot and come back again. Test, but I don't know if will break or not. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know if the market broke or not. I don't know if the market broke or not. But many times, resistance, 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 and also looking for resistance. Are you sure if you are sell here? Are you sure if you sell here? I'm not encourage you to. I'm not encourage you to sell here. Why? Because if you are sell here, you will lose opportunity once. We can say, let me explain you another pattern. Let me explain you. This is accumulations. This is accumulations. Accumulations. Accumulation. I don't know if correct or not. Accumulation patterns. It means the markets drop downs and sells climates, and the markets do like this. The market do like this. It is it is week of patterns. That's this week of pattern. If you clear, you can learn most with the week of pattern. Yeah. What I am going to tell you, this is spring low. This is a spring low pattern. This is a spring low. Yes. The markets already make a spring low. Make a spring low. So I don't know exactly if market come back or not, but mostly retest will come back. But you have to careful. It's trend. If the market it can back again and then make the break launch like this, and then it will come back. But if not, you see, if not trend, if not the break just like this, and then the big markets, the big candle broke out, and then to retest here like resistant. They become resistant. This one and resistant. Yes. This one resistant to becomes new resistant. Yeah. It breakouts very high and it become new resistant and then back a little and then just like come back again. A little come back and also it will go high. It keep high. I don't know where. Maybe this first because also it the pivot. So this area is for sale. This area is for sale. So if the market broke off and this is the resistance and then come back again, then come back again, and then if it go up like this, and then make a sell around here from here. This is the moment of the price actions, the moment of price action. It can be broke like this because it is channel, but if not broke up it down and also broke down this broke channel, and also wait for support here, so this is like support. If you are sell here, you take profit here, but if you are from here, you can scale for short here. The market is play around this one like this. It can be like this lower. So let me let me show you again. If you are traders, you think that the what is also important. You can learn with the pattern because it have a lot of pattern. Next video I will show you how is the base of the pattern. Like hook from extremely here, hook from extremely here, and hook. This is not hook from extremely. This one is like rejects pattern here, rejects pattern, rejects rejects pattern. So for volume profile, okay. For volume profile also important here. The brokes here. The market just broke first time and then it pulled back. So see here, pull back first time, just like this, broke out and then come back. Test profile and then come back. Test profile and then come back. You see here, test profile, it's come back. So this one, it no volume. It no volume is still high, but also actually it is also important. It still have the power. So when the price go to retest next previous volume, previous peak volume profile, and now resistance, so it can be for sale, scale for sale, down, it can be down like this. I'm don't know, I don't know, but it can be, yeah, resistant. So we'll make scenarios resistant here and then pull back down. This area is strong resistant. This area is also strong resistant here. It's also strong resistant, you know, strong resistance of uptrend, strong resistance of sideways. So that's why if you are take sell here, the market for sell here. So let me check another video if the market will really come back or not, because this area is the resistance. This area is resistance uptrend and sideways, something like this. Or next ones here. If the price to retest here is here, and it will come back. So pick volume profile also important for the trader for scale. But if the price come back again, launch. So this is for buy, here. I don't know, but it can be if this is a for wait for sell. This is a wait for buy, and also lower here if the price make very strong downs. So this one you can wait for buy again, for buy again. Yes, like this. So thank you so much. I hope this video is important for use and for every beginner, for traders. If you have any question with the pattern, with the Buddhist size pattern, with rejects pattern, with hook from extremely pattern, or with any page volume profile, something like that, and also how to set up. If you don't know how to set up, uh, if you don't know how to set up like this, and also this one I will tell you next. If you don't know the setup of CI, and please tell me, I will send you free of platform. So thank you, bye bye, but don't forget subscribe lower. Subscribe to see next time.